was the show?
Wonderful. Amazing performance. Amazing.
Can you all say how was the show?
It was great.
Awesome. How was the show?
It was awesome, super. Yeah, she's a new Veena student. We all loved it.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Sir, how was the show?
It was fantastic. One of the best concerts I've been.
Thank you
Very
so
good
much.
one.
Thank
Loved
you so
it.
much. How was the show?
It was really good.
It was a brilliant show. Still astonished.
It was really good. We really enjoyed it.
Thank you. Did you enjoy?
Best concert ever.
On earth. Good. How was the show?
It was fantastic.
Thank you. Hi, how was the show?
Lovely, awesome.
Thank you. Madhu sir, how was the show?
Super. I had no idea how it will be. This is not strings just on fire. Strings on, major fire.
Thank you.
Everything on fire. So beautiful.
It touched every emotional feeling in your body.
Thank you so much.
Particularly our generation.
വളരെ നല്ല ഷോ, ഭയങ്കര നന്നായിട്ട് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തു.
ഹലോ
അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു, രക്ഷയിലായിരുന്നു.
எப்படி இருந்த program?
ரொம்ப beautiful இருந்தது. Amazing. I've never seen a performance like this. My day is just so brightened because of this. You have no idea. Oh my gosh.
Thank you so
Beautiful.
much. Thank you so
I
much.
can't. I don't have words to express it. That's how phenomenal it was.
Thank you so much.
ദിസ് വാസ് എന്താ പറയുക, ഒരു ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് ദ വേൾഡ് ആയിരുന്നു. ഞങ്ങൾ പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചതിനേക്കാളൊക്കെ ഇത്രയും കയ്യടി, ഇത്രയും ആൾക്കാരുടെ ഒരു ആവേശമൊക്കെ ഭയങ്കര എന്താ പറയുക. ഇനി എല്ലാ വർഷവും പുള്ളീനെ കൊണ്ടുവരണം എന്നാണ് രാകേഷിനോടും ഈരനോടും റിയൽ എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റ് ഹൗസിനോടും പറയാനുള്ളത്.
മീഡിയ അനുഗ്രഹിച്ചാൽ. താങ്ക് യു.